सफर का ही था मैं सफर का रहा।
How was your interview experience? कितना लंबा गया? किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए?
So, ma'am, my interview was approximately around 25 to 30 minutes, and chairperson was Mr. Sanjeev Verma. So, my interview revolved mostly around economics, as I already mentioned. 70-75% economics के around था, and उसमें भी दोनों ही चीजें थी कि factual भी पूछे थे कि okay, let's say what is the proportion of agriculture in today's India's GDP, या फिर what were the factors that caused Bengal famine in pre-independence.
Okay.
So ये factual type भी हो गए, and आपके opinion based भी कि how do you visualize Viksit Bharat of 2047?
Okay.
What steps can you take to fulfill this dream?
Okay.
So it was revolving around both the things, and कुछ questions DAF से भी थे from SRCC. Also there was a question कि why SRCC is called a college of global choice. So I answered that it is mostly because of the students who are there, the co-curricular activities that are there in the college, and the alumni network also.
Yes, yes, yes.
Because
And
that
of course
also
the
helps us.
academic education excellence.
Yes, yes, yes.
मतलब जिनकी हम बुक्स पढ़ते हैं वो वहाँ पढ़ाते हैं.
पढ़ाते हैं. I mentioned
Professors,
this. Yes.
Yeah,
yes.
so the faculty whom we study commerce and economics, जिनके बुक्स पढ़ते हैं वो खुद ही पढ़ा रहे हैं.
Correct.
So what could be a greater resource than that?
Personally मुझसे कुछ ऐसे situation based question नहीं पूछे, but there were many friends जिनसे मैंने बात करी उनसे पूछे थे. मेरा mostly economics based.
So you were quite happy after your interview?
I was satisfied. Yeah, not very much happy and not very much sad, but I was satisfied that I was able to answer almost all the questions. And one most important thing is don't answer the questions that you don't know. There were a couple of questions.
What important is friends?
Yeah.
Do not try and bluff.
Yes, yes. There were a couple of questions that I didn't know about, and I just humbly told them that I don't know about this question. So, which is completely fine. They are not judging you on the basis of that. They are just checking this also, that whether if you don't know, are you able to accept that thing or not.
But learning is a continuous process. So it is very much important to understand कि the people who are taking the interview वो बहुत ही experienced लोग हैं. तो उनके सामने हमें accept कर लेना चाहिए with confidence, of course, with confidence and humility, and do not enter into an argument unnecessarily. Just to justify, just keep on justifying और ये सोच के कि हाँ हमने नहीं बताया वो क्या सोचेंगे, वो कुछ नहीं सोचेंगे, वो सोचेंगे अच्छी बात है, he or she is not aware of, he is admitting and he is willing to learn and he is willing to improvise rather than saying anything which is unverified or untrue. So that is very very important, friends. So personality test is basically your orientation, your mindset, your way of looking at things. एंड सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट उसमें क्या है कि कॉन्फिडेंस से, ह्यूमिलिटी से और आपको अपने ट्रूथफुलनेस से, बेसिकली व्हाट यू आर, दैट ओनली शुड बी रिफ्लेक्टेड इन द यूपीएससी पर्सनालिटी टेस्ट. डू नॉट ट्राई टू बिकम व्हाट यू आर नॉट, बिकॉज यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू सस्टेन दैट.